Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these social media scrapping tools called Scrap Creator. So let's quickly dive into it. Scrap Creator is a powerful social media scrapping tools that cover major platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit and X, all through one API. It offers 100 points of post, comment, hats and profiles, making it ideal for marketers, researchers, and developers who need fresh, structured data in real time. One of the biggest trends is flexible pricing. Credit never expire, and you only pay for what you use, unlike rigid subscription model. It also supports unlimited concurrent requests, which make it efficient for scaling projects without constant rate limit headaches. On the downside, like all scrappers, Scrap Creators carries risks tied to changing platform policy, potential downtime, and a compliance issue depending on how the data is used. While it delivers raw data well, it lacks deeper built-in analytics, meaning you must handle their own processing and insight. So in conclusion, my view, Scrap Creator is one of the best choice in 2025, especially if you want flexibility, multi-platform coverage and reliable API access. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for higher scale enterprise use or compliance heavy industries. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.